This program is brought to you by Emory University.
Professor Rajagopal, your recent research about the trading by SEC employees has attracted a lot of attention. Can you tell me the main objective of this paper and your findings?
So as you know, one of the primary responsibilities of the SEC is to monitor corporate America for insider trading. So we were curious to understand who monitors the monitors. So to do that, we got a hold of the trading records of the SEC employees. And when we focus specifically on the sells, it looks like on average they're able to get out before bad news hits the market.
Does the SEC have any explanations for their trades?
Yeah, the SEC has come back and said that each trade was approved by their ethics office. This is perfectly legal, and they have a policy where, before a staff is assigned to an inquiry or to an investigation, they are required to sell stock that they hold.
So do you see any problem with that policy?
Yeah, because effectively they're asking their employees to, I think, to trade on non-public information, because the very fact that they are going to start an inquiry usually means that there is something bad or negative about that stock. Well, there are a whole host of government agencies which have authority over corporate America and whose employees could potentially come across market-moving privileged information. The FDA comes to mind. For instance, the staff there might have information about drug approvals or rejections. We, as a follow-up, we've filed a FOIA request with the FDA as well, and a whole host of other agencies such as the FHA, which is the Federal Housing Authority, the Federal Reserve, the Treasury, and so on. The simplest recommendation would be to make employees of such federal agencies not hold individual stock, because even if these trades are perfectly legal, a regulator probably wants to appear independent as well. So even to eliminate the perception of wrongdoing, it's probably best for these employees to not even hold individual stock.
The preceding program is copyrighted by Emory University.